Hi, I'm Artificial Fire Tiger. I've spent thousands of hours making electronic music, and I'm going to share my insights, tips and techniques with you so that you can improve your music. Today we're going to take a look at creating this pad sound. I'm using Vital, which is a free synth, and I'm going to show you how to do this. So we're in Vital and we've initialized the preset. So we have a basic saw wave coming through. To create a pad, one of the first things we need to do is increase the attack so that the sound comes in with an arc shape, like so, and then increase the release so that when we let go of a key, it fades out as well. So we've already got the basics of a pad. The next thing to do is to add a filter. So we're going to put this filter on, turn the resonance down, and this is going to cut out the front end. So now we've only got the deeper sounds. And then what we're going to do is create movement across the filter using this LFO here. And we're going to make it come up and then we'll make it come down. And we'll do this over 2 bars initially. And we'll set this to an envelope mode so it triggers just once. So then we'll drop this LFO onto this filter point here, and now you can see that it's fading in, but we'll turn this actual strength down a little bit so it only moves, so it's coming on very quickly and dropping out. So for this particular sound I want it to come up and then come down again, so we're going to fade in, fade out type effect. Then we're going to fatten the sound up by adding a couple of voices and only detuning them by a little bit of percent. Now to get some movement also across and get a more of an analog sound, we're going to add some randomness in, and we'll drop that onto the pitch. So if we leave that, we're going to get a lot of movement, but we don't want that much, so we'll just turn it down just a few points, so it just gets a little bit of a variation happening across it. And then to fatten the sound up, we can just polish it up with some effects at the end, add a bit of chorus, maybe a bit of delay to give it a more of an ambient feel. Very basic and simple pad in Vital. Stick around and we'll do some more Vital presets. I'm creating a whole set of these Vital tutorials, so please join me then. Thank you very much.